haven't made a video in a while, so I'm just gonna make some videos, buddy. Let's get into it. I haven't played this game in a while. Yes, so let's go. Let's go. Give me money. What is that? Nah, there's buns. What is daily challenge? Let me just try it. What even Kai is that? What Kai is even that? Let's go. All of you are going down to the grave. Nah, just kidding. Take some chickens. Oh, bro, Rez. What are you doing? Her shield. I did it. What? I didn't even know there was a shortcut. Bro just led me to it. Let's go, let's go. Let's go. Wee. 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 Yep, now I'm first. Nobody passing me up. No, no, no. I get... some oil. If you guys want some. Bro, bro, bro. Now I'm losing. What is this? No. Bro, I'm turning. This thing doesn't want to turn. Let's go. Why everybody passing me up? Like actually what? The flip. Let's go. Ooh. Let's go, let's go. Ooh. Are you for serious, bro? Guys, do you know Cash Blocks? Go subscribe to him. He's a very funny YouTuber. Why is it not working? Take that. Go, go, go. I quit. I quit. I hate this. Hello. What's your name again? Don't even know. So, do I have enough money? Yeah, let's... oh, it's to the max. Let's go pineapple. What is this? Nah, bro, I don't like this. I don't like the leader. Let's go, let's go. Then I have to follow this guy. Let's go. Oh, oh, ah! I don't know why I did that sound. Oh no, oh no, oh no. I'm on fire. Shit. No, the bubbles disappearing. Bro, look at this ad. Let's just close this. Close it. Oh, close. Thank you. Bro, what's happening? My screen is black. Guys, so I had to leave the game because my screen was black. I hate that. So let's just do one normal race. Why is my game laggy? Let's like do this one. I got one. Okay, I play Crab Cove. Guys, did I say that right? No. Okay, leave me alone. No, don't go. Watch my video. What even it was that? What sound effect? Take that. I actually got him. I got you. Nah! I have perfect aim. It's like perfect. Ooh, let's go. Nope. Not falling for that. Ever. Let's go. Nah. What did Bowser's fly? Let's go. Yo, this crab. Oh. It's crab with a cove. I don't even know what that means. Okay. I'm just destroying everybody. In what was there? Invisible bear? I saw nothing there. Was my wheels big? I hate this. At least I got second. Nah. I always get second. Oh, add. Why? Why? What is a zebra? A zebra. So if you guys enjoyed that video, consider subscribing. I'm gonna post. Maybe I'll post daily. But if you like the video, just like the video. And I'll see you on the next one. Peace.